Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove WhatsApp from other devices. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp. At the bottom of the screen, tap Settings. Next, tap the Link device. This section shows all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account, such as a computer, tablet, or a browser. Now look at the list of linked device. Tap on the device you want to remove. A menu will appear. Tap Logout. Once you do this, that device will immediately lose access to your WhatsApp account. Messages will no longer scan and the device will need to link again to regain access. If you want to remove all devices, simply log out of each one from the list. For extra security, here's an important tip. You can go to the setting, then tap on account, next tap the two verification and turn it on. This adds a PIN code to protect your WhatsApp account from unauthorized access. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.